Let's go Costco shopping with me. Before we get in, let's get some hot dog. I'm so hungry. Yeah, I just ordered a hot dog and soda combo. After this shopping, I go home and make udon. Yeah, I got hot dog and Coke Zero. I like to put everything on my hot dog. Ketchup, mustard, and relish. What about you? I finished the hot dog and I'm in the Costco. Today I didn't make a shopping list. Hopefully I don't forget anything so I don't have to come back. First, I need a brisket. Last time I bought maybe 18 pounds. I think it lasts over 3 months, so that was very worth it. Oh, there's pork belly next time. So this one, 16 pounds. Let's get this. This one is choice. This one is fine. Slightly a little more expensive. I usually thin slice it, so the grade doesn't make really big difference, I guess. So I'm gonna go with the cheaper one. Chicken sausage. Is it good? Let's try. And a container of kimchi. I don't really eat kimchi that often. I feel like it has to be always in my fridge. Sometimes I want it. Oh yeah, I need dishwasher tablet. I found it. So, question. This one is $17.99 for 92 counts. And this is like $25.49 for 82 counts. So this is much more expensive. I'm gonna go with this. It lasts more than 1 year for me. So it has 80 counts. I use dishwasher maybe like every 3 days. Oh, it's not gonna it's not gonna last 1 year. And I need sesame oil, ramen, sparkling water as well. I got 2 dozens of eggs, $3 each. I like the price. And ice cream. This fish-shaped ice cream is so good. Another one, cookie combo. That's mini? They don't have the big one. This ice cream is really, really good. 뭐 살라 했더라? Let's see, coffee. Doubt I like dark roast coffee. Someone bought me medium roast. I actually like more. Okay. Let's try this one. Organic Ethiopia light roast. Let's try light roast. Yeah, I need rice. I'm out of rice. Okay. I got the rice. It's 25 pounds. And shin ramen. Lately, I had a lot of ramen. I didn't have proper meals. Yeah, sometimes, like never mind. And I need cooking oil and sesame oil. What is this? I want to show you this. 5 liters of oil. Wow. This is big. Okay, olive oil. This one. And I need sesame oil. I saw sesame oil last time here. Bulldog sauce. Do you like this? I kind of like it, but it's too spicy for me. I can't find sesame oil. Maybe they don't have it anymore. I should bought it last time, I guess. These chips, so good. I think this is it. I just need sesame oil, but they don't have it. Maybe I can't find it. Oh, these chips, vegetable thing. We have similar thing in Korea, and it comes with a ketchup packet. It's really good with ketchup. Okay, let's go home.